Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Sanskruti and I'm really excited for today's video because we are recreating yet another look of a celebrity. So I have been having a lot of fun recreating all the celebrity looks. I feel like I've said this in every single recreation video because I've genuinely had so much fun recreating looks, and today I'm going to be recreating a look of somebody who I genuinely am a very big fan of. So before we get into the video and before I reveal who that celeb is, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every time I post a new video. Hit a like on this video if you also love to recreate celebrity looks, and let's get into this video. So today I'm going to be recreating Katrina Kaif's makeup look. So there's this Slice ad that she did a few years ago, I feel like, and I love that entire ad. I think that she's just made for the Slice advertisements. Like every single advertisement that she did for Slice is just so iconic. But my favorite one was the one where she, I would put the picture for you. Yeah, I think she looks gorgeous in that, and I mean she looks gorgeous all the time. So I was just really confused. Which look do I want to recreate? Because I might end up recreating every single look that she has ever done because she looks good in every. Okay, I'm just being a fangirl right now. Let me concentrate. I'm very sure that you can hear the fan, but I'm sorry, but I can't film without a fan right now. It is so hot, the temperature is rising. It's killing me. And I was trying to film without a fan, and I was like, yeah, that's not going to happen. And for this look, I have to keep my hairs down, and it was killing me. So I decided I'm going to put it down when we are done with the look. But I'm going to be recreating Katrina Kaif's makeup look for the Slice advertisement, and I'm just really excited. Fortunately, I had the same sort of clothing in my wardrobe. It's not exactly the same, but it has the same sort of print and everything. It's very similar. And I have the same sort of headband that she's wearing in the advertisement. So I was like, yeah, I have to recreate it. First, we're gonna go in with moisturizer. I do not wanna again put on moisturizer because it is so hot, and putting moisturizer just makes it worse. And yeah, I don't do well with warm temperatures, but I'm going to just do it for the sake of the video. I say this in every video whenever I'm filming in summer, but it's irresistible. So you can hear the fan and it might be very annoying in this video, but that is why I'm speaking a little louder than I usually do so that you can hear my voice as well. So I hope you don't mind it. But for the earrings, I didn't have the same earrings that she was wearing. The earrings were beautiful, but I don't have the same ones. But I'm going to go with something. This is not similar at all, but I just wanted something which are big jhumkas, but not traditional. It's a modern earring, it's just big modern earrings. Okay, so I have the earrings on and they're obviously not similar, but I'm really happy with it. It's one of my favorite earrings, so I love it. Now it's time for makeup. I'm going to start with some concealer and just going to conceal my under eyes. So I've been a huge fan of Katrina Kaif since like my childhood days. There has been so many actresses that came and went, but she's the one who always stayed for some reason. For me, I have always been a huge fan for her. Like whenever I think about my favorite actress, she's the one who comes to my mind. So she has always been not just my favorite actress, but also I have a girl crush on her. She's like Barbie. Like seriously, I'm that crazy about her. So now I'm gonna go in with foundation. This is from Gleam Beauty, and I'm going to put it on my face. It's taking me so much courage to put on makeup on my face right now because it's so hot. Even though the fan is on, which is like a little bit of satisfaction. But imagine I was going to do this video without fan so that you won't be able to hear the fan. And I'm crazy to even think that I can do it without fan because I genuinely can't. I would be sweating right now if the fan was not on. Bless the people who made fan legs. So the first movie that I saw her in was Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani, and just watching her for the first time made me her fan because she was just so pretty. Like seriously. Now we're going to set the face with some face powder. So we're done with setting the face. Now it's time to do some brows, and I'm just going to fill in the sparse areas of my brows. So I'm aware of what people think about her acting, and I don't completely disagree with you, but I feel like coming from a completely different country, a completely different culture, and adapting into an Indian culture, that's a big deal, you guys. And there's so many actresses who have came from Western countries who are not from India, and they are here for just some like 4 to 5 movies, and then they just leave because they couldn't make it. But she's the only one who survived, so there might be something, right? And I mean, she really did prove to herself throughout the years. She's like, you're not going to be impressed by my acting? Okay, so you are going to be impressed by everything else that I do. So, be it her fashion sense, be it her dancing, be it her humbleness, be it her makeup brand that she came up with. I just think all of that is just really praiseworthy. If we are not praising her acting, at least think about all the other things and the other talents that she has got. Now we're going to contour the face with just some random brown shade that, whatever suits your skin tone, and I'm going to just contour my nose. So another thing which I think we should praise about her is her selection of movies. So I think that she has given us one of the best movies of all time in the 2000s era, and I feel like whenever I watch her movies, I get that sense of nostalgia. Like, be it Ajab Prem Ki Gajab Kahani, be it Namaste London, or you know, Sing is King is also one of my favorites. There's like Welcome as well, and one of my most favorite one is Mere Brother Ki Dulhan. Like all of these movies, whenever I go back to them, I'm like, I wish that era stayed forever because we need rom coms so badly. It's my favorite genre, um, and if I'm not loving horror movies, I'm loving rom coms. Now we're going to contour the cheeks because I genuinely feel that we are also stressed out. Like we're always overthinking, and all the negative thoughts are always coming into our heads. And one of the reasons behind it is because we're not getting any rom coms, we're not getting any comedy movies, and we're not getting movies which are actually funny. People try so hard to make jokes nowadays when you see movies. Like, is comedy genre is just for the name right now, it's not funny. So yeah, I genuinely think that we need that era back. We need those movies. By the way, how is this video becoming about just me being a fan? Like this entire video is about that. Me fangirling. That's going to be the title. But it was completely unintentional. I've always been a huge fan of her, so what can I do? For eyeliner, because she's not wearing any eyeshadow, so we're gonna go straight to the eyeliner. But you know what? Good. It's going to save some time because it's so hot in here that I'm just trying to wrap things up as quick as I can. But I still know this video is going to be very long because I talk so much. Because this is about Katrina Kaif look. How can I not talk about it? Anyways, have you ever seen me this excited? It's only because I'm doing the look of Katrina. But yeah, we're just going to do the eyeliner. I also think she has given us so many amazing songs. Like most of my favorite childhood songs are of Katrina Kaif. And I've always wanted to dance like her. I always wanted to perform like her. Like whenever it would be the time for me to perform in like school or whatever, I would always think about I want to perform a Katrina Kaif song. And so yeah, she's an icon. For me, she is really special. And she has always been my role model. I always wanted to be like her, always wanted to look like her, always wanted to dress up like her, always wanted to dance like her. There's nothing that I don't want to do like her. We are done with eyeliner and now it's time for mascara. So I'm just gonna go in with the mascara. to add some blush to the look, and honestly she was not wearing any blush in the makeup look, at least that's what it looked like. But I'm still going to add some blush because I can't live without blush, and I think the look would be too simple without blush. So it needs some blush. Just comment down below how many times I said blush in the video. But I want a red blush, and I'm going to just go in with this red eyeshadow and just dab in there. And sometimes my accent just changes, and I have no idea how, and I have no idea what accent that is. So don't judge me because I have no idea. Sometimes it just changes like that. That's way too red, but it's okay. Because we love blush over here on this channel. So don't you ever question me why I'm wearing so much blush. It's time for the star of the show, which I'm really excited about, and it's the lipstick. We are going to put on a red lip, and I'm so excited because I don't remember the last time I wore a red lip, and I've definitely not worn it in a video. So I don't remember wearing it last time. But I'm going to go in with a red lipstick because she's wearing a red lip in the ad. So this is what the lipstick looks like. It's a beautiful red color, and this is one of the most brand new lipsticks that I've bought, and I'm just really excited to put it on right now. It's bold, okay? So we're done with the lips. It's one of my favorite lipsticks. I love the formulation. I love the fact that it literally lasts all day. Like no matter what you eat or drink, it's going to last all day. It's not transfer proof, but I love it. I love the formulation. It's so smooth on the lips. I feel like I'm, promoting the lipstick. It's not sponsored. I just love it. So yeah, one of my favorite lipsticks. Yeah, this is the perfect lip color for the look that I'm recreating because she's wearing the same exact red lip. And now I'm going to open my hair and just do the hairstyle that she was wearing in the advertisement, and then this look is really going to come together. So that's me with open hairs, and the hairband that she was wearing in the advertisement, I have the same exact one. So I'm just going to put it on and I'll be right back. So I have the hairband on and it's exactly like hers, so amazing, we got it. But I also did the hairstyle like her and I succeeded at that as well, so that's great too. But I almost forgot to highlight my face, which happens most of the time. Like, I don't remember to highlight my face when I'm not going out. We're just going to highlight the face. Just go in with the shade. The highlight should be subtle, not too blinding, because in the look you won't be able to notice how much highlighter she's wearing. She's wearing a very subtle highlighter, so we're just going to dab a little bit, and we'll do a little bit in the inner corner as well, because since the day I started doing inner corner highlighter, it changed my life. It completely transforms the look. Like, even if you're just wearing highlighter and just some eyeliner and a lip like I'm doing right now, you will be beautiful, because this highlighter completely takes all the attention. I'm done with this makeup look. I'm so happy because it turned out exactly the way I wanted it to turn out, and it's so similar to the makeup look that she was wearing. The dress up is similar, the hairband, everything just came together. It doesn't happen every time. Whenever I try to recreate a look, I'm not always 100% happy with it because there's something lacking. Maybe I'm not wearing the same exact outfit, maybe I don't have the same exact jewelry, accessory, whatever it may be. But this time I feel like everything came together so nicely and I'm just so happy. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you also loved this makeup look, just try to recreate it. It's so easy. I feel like anybody can do it. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I definitely want to recreate another Katrina Kaif look. I'll just look it up and I'll make sure to do it again because this was so much fun. Just talking about your favorite person, and doing the makeup look that she was doing. How great is that? I'll stop talking now. I've talked a lot in this video, but yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I had a lot of fun and I will see you in my next video.